Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve Telegram message doesn't exist. To know how to fix or how to solve Telegram message doesn't exist, you should just go to settings like this. We will click. After that, in this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. When you will see this page, you will go to click or to find the application, the application of Telegram, and you will enter. Then in this page here, you will go to click for stop. After that, you will enter to storage. And when you will see this page, you will click clear cache. Then you will go to click manage storage. And after all that, you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.